Good morning, sir. My name is Nikita. I am a student of BSc Chemistry Honors second year. My roll number is 121127109062. Today's topic of my presentation is acid and base, which is a part of inorganic chemistry. Acids are the substances which are sour in taste. They turn blue litmus red, and they dissolve substances which are insoluble in water. And when acid react with metal, it emits hydrogen gas. Bases are the substances which are bitter in taste. They turn red litmus blue, and these neutralize acids. There are some concepts given by different scientists with regards to acids and base. First one is Arrhenius. Arrhenius gives the concept. According to Arrhenius, acids are the substance which dissolve in water and gives H positive ions. Example, HCl in water dissociates into H positive and Cl negative ions. The HCl gives H positive ions to water. And the base are the substance which when dissociates in water to give hydroxyl ion OH negative ions. Example, NaOH. When NaOH dissociates in water to give Na positive and OH negative ions, it gives OH negative ions according to Arrhenius, and NaOH is a base. According to Arrhenius, acids gives hydrogen ions, whereas base gives hydroxyl ions in the water. There are some strong and weak acid, and some strong and weak bases. Strong acids are the substance which completely dissociates in water and give H positive ions. Example, HCl. HCl gives H positive and Cl negative ions. Whereas weak acids are the substance which are not completely dissociates in water and give hydrogen ions to the water. Example, acetic acid CS3COH. When it dissociates in water, it gives H positive plus CS3CO negative ions. These are called weak acids. Similarly, strong bases are the substance which completely dissociates in water and give hydroxyl ion to the water. Example, NaOH, KOH. Whereas weak bases are the substances which are not completely dissociates in water, and which are partially dissociates in water and give hydroxyl ions. Example, NH4OH. When it dissociates in water, it gives an NH4 positive plus OH negative ions, ammonium ions, and hydroxyl ions. Mm, There are some limitations of the Arrhenius concept. First one is it is applicable only on the aqueous medium, which one is water, and they are the substances which do not have hydrogen or OH negative ions in the molecular formula, but still they are acids or base. Example, CO2. CO2 is an acid behavior, but it does not have any H positive ions. Similarly, ammonia NH3 is a base. It does not have any hydroxyl ion, but it still is a base. So it theory is fail, and it is not capable to define the acidity or basicity of the compound. And third one is it fails to define about the reaction between acid and base in the absence of water. The second theory is Bronsted-Lowry concept. According to Bronsted-Lowry, acid is a substance which can donate a proton, whereas base is a substance which can accept a proton. According to this theory, we study conjugate base and conjugate acids, conjugate acid base, and this theory is also called proton transfer theory, proton acceptor, proton donor theory. Proton donor theory. Conjugate acids are the substances which are formed from a base. A strong base form a weak conjugate acid, whereas a weak base form a strong conjugate acids, and vice versa. And thank you.